Real quick, I'm going to show you how to start the process of getting Microsoft Office installed on your computer. The first thing to do is go to our website, tillamookbaycc.edu. Click on email in the top right hand corner. And you're going to log in with your TBCC email, and that's typically in the form first name, last name, @ and then mail.tillamookbaycc.edu. So mine's going to look a little different. So just remember yours is mail.tillamookbay, and mine is just tillamookbaycc.edu. Click next. It's going to ask if it's a work or school account or a personal account. So ours is a work or school account. Go ahead and enter your password. If you don't know your password, there's a forgot password link back there. You can also call our IT department at extension 1610 or 1620. You can, if you're on your on a computer that a lot of other people don't use, you can click Don't Show Again, and you can choose whether or not to stay signed in. So when you first log in here, your theme is probably going to look a little different, but the format will be the same. Go ahead and click on Install Office in the top right-hand corner, and choose Other Install Options. And over here in the top left corner, choose Install Office. And again, it's just running you through the steps. Click Run if that pops up, or if you have the Save File button pop up, click Save File. When you click Save File, your file will go to your Downloads folder, which you can find a couple of different ways. You can either click on open a folder on your computer. So if I open a folder on my computer, and I want to click Downloads, so look for this PC in Downloads, and you'll see Office Setup right there at the top. Additionally, in your browser, in Firefox, you will either see a Downloads button, which will be a little down arrow like this, and it'll be about right here, or you'll see this sort of fast forward button, and you can click Downloads. You'll see the file right there. You can click directly on it, or you can click this folder, and you'll go back to that Downloads folder I showed you. So just double click on the file. If it asks if you want it to allow the app to make changes to your device, go ahead and say yes. And we're going to run into a problem, but this is basically the process, and it should be pretty straightforward from this point.